Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here. So in this video, we're going to go through my keyword research plan to create a new article for the knee replacement support group website. Now, I call it the knee replacement support group website, but it's really my clinic website, totaltherapysolutions.com. I want to put up some new content. I want to get some new ideas. So let's take a look at Google Keyword Planner to start. Behind me, you can see that I've got a Google Sheet open. This is where we're going to actually create the content. But if I go to Google Keyword Plan, well, there's a couple ways to do this. I'm going to go to Google Keyword Planner. I'm going to go to Google Search Console. Search Console is going to give us an idea of the people who are already finding us, what keywords they're searching for. So let's click the drop down. Let's go down to our website. And let's go to performance. And we'll take a look down here. So there's a couple opportunities here. I can go by clicks, which obviously the name, the branded search is the biggest lead generator. Then we've got how to sleep after knee replacement. Now I've got 3 or 4 articles on that already. Recumbent bike after knee replacement. Got 3 or 4 articles on that. Sleeping after knee replacement, total knee replacement, pain at night, best position for leg. I actually had started to create a recliner post. I don't know if I got it public yet or not. Sleep, exercise, bike, which kind of in line with stationary bike, recumbent, exercise bike, pain at night. I pretty well have these covered, and that's probably part of the reason why they're showing up so high in terms of click-throughs. It's a chicken or the egg. Which came first? I don't know. But I want to go with something different. So let's go out to Keyword Planner. Let's jump in here. And this is where we're going to play around with some ideas. So discover new keywords. Start with the keyword or start with the website. I'm going to start with the keyword. Let's go with knee replacement shoes. Let's see what comes up. Knee replacement shoes, about 10 to 100 search volume, high competition. Not especially what I'm looking for. If we go best shoes for walking after knee replacement surgery. Now I do really like that. Everything here is going to be in that kind of low search volume, 10 to 100 searches per month. These are all high except down here. Sandals after knee surgery. That might be appealing. Let's go to the next page. And these are all high. So just because it says high competition does not mean this is high competition from a paid placement perspective. And you can see what the rates are over here on the right. But even for something like this, dress shoes, best shoes for knee replacement, best shoes after knee surgery, best shoes for walking after knee replacement. I've got some ideas on what I'm going to do, but I'm going to copy that. Let's go out to an incognito browser and let's see if we can find, here we go. Let's see what we come up with. So I'm going with best shoes for walking after knee replacement surgery. The first featured snippet is a list post. 10 best walking and running shoes for bad knees. Now, that's for bad knees and osteoarthritis. That's not for specifically knee replacement. The searcher's intent is we want best walking shoes after knee replacement surgery. So we have a great chance here to outrank that featured snippet, even though it's Healthline, which is a monster of a website. Let me show you. If we go into similar web and we type in Healthline as a URL, let's see what they tell us. Category rank number 1. Almost 300 million monthly views. Like, that is insane. Obviously, this is a high authority site, right? But that's okay because they're not answering the search intent. they're talking about bad knees and osteoarthritis. We're talking specifically about knee replacement. And then let's see what else we have. Woo walkers. Let's jump out here. My knee replacement recovery. Now, in terms of blogs on knee replacements, this is one of my main competitors. My knee replacement recovery. But a couple things here. So if we look at what they've got, right? They've got a table, which we know Google loves. They've got paid ads, so it is a monetized site. I do think that while on one hand, that's how they make their money. On the other hand, it's just annoying. It's not a good user experience. So they have their kind of narratives, but I can tell you right now, there's no video. These are stock photography. They're not affiliate links here that you can click on, but these are affiliate links that you can click on. The information they're taking, so this classic 990, blah, 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 size. This isn't coming from somebody who's actually touched the shoe, felt the shoe, used the shoe. This is just generic information you can get anywhere. And from everything that I've read, when we're looking at, what Google's going to rank, what Google's going to place, this kind of stuff is not going to outrank original content that you, a therapist, creates with real hands-on experience. Let's see what this one was. This one was ranked number 1 under the featured snippet. And it's kind of the same thing. We've got a list here, pros and cons. I think we can do it. I think we can beat this. Now, the kind of search volume, I don't know, but even if you have 100 posts, these are all long posts, but they're list posts. Even if you have 100 posts and each of those are getting, 100 views per month, I mean, that's some $10,000, that's $10,000, 10,000 views a month, but with proper affiliate links and digital products, that's a boatload of value. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this. I like this search term. This is something I can definitely work with. I've got some videos already on the topic. So let's jump back over and let's get the ball rolling. Let me find my tab. We'll drop here. I'm going to drop that in place. Best shoes for walking after knee replacement surgery 2021, right? How are we going to start creating subcategories here? What is the viewer going to be looking for? What kind of questions are they going to be asking? So we could break this down into athletic shoes, dress shoes. We could do men and women, right? Men, women. I'm going to put women above men because most likely women are going to be the ones searching over men. Let me indent that just a little bit. I'm going to copy that. We'll do the same thing here. Athletic shoes, dress shoes, house shoes. Okay. Let's start actually with which are the best shoes to wear around the house after surgery. Let's do immediately after surgery. And what we're going to do with that, because I've got a video, I'll create a new video. I've got some kind of house slippers that I really like. You can decide when and where you want to start inserting your affiliate links. Like this is going to be one for my affiliate link. So which are the best shoes to wear around the house immediately after surgery? Which are the best shoes to wear when I go to physical therapy? So if you notice, it's kind of like a frequently asked question, right? So let's go back into the incognito browser for a second. And I want to see Which, let's go with what? What is the best shoe to wear to physical therapy after knee replacement? So Healthline again, so same article, ranked for a different search term. Same, generally the same. How often do you go to physical therapy after knee replacement? What kind of physical therapy comes? What happens if you don't do therapy? Do I need new shoes after a knee replacement? Boom, that's a good one. Let me do that one, and I'm gonna grab this. Let's jump back over, and we're gonna paste that. I might actually put that above. Let's see if we can find anything else. So now, 9 things no one ever tells you about getting a knee replacement. I am curious what that's going to look like, that blog post. Okay. You can see, I mean, so these guys have original photos. Like that's obviously stock photography. That looks like an original photo. That's stock photography, stock. Maybe that one's not original. I don't know. But anyway, so here's that post. You've got this along the side, which again, I think is just distracting. I don't think it adds value. People are coming for a very specific search term. And then you've got Bone Smart as the first organic term. So I think this article could potentially rank for this if we build this out enough. What kind of shoes should you wear after knee replacement surgery? Let me grab that. Can new shoes cause knee pain? How far should I be walking after knee replacement? Why should you not cross your legs? Okay, 9 best shoes, fact or fiction, debunking 10 myths, top shoes. All right, we're going to make the rest. We're going to kind of take it from our own heads now. We've got enough information. I am going to drop that one. What kind of shoes should you wear after knee replacement? So best shoes for walking. We're already kind of focused on best shoes for walking, but maybe what we should do is make this the headline. What kind of shoes should you wear after knee replacement? And make this one of the subheadings. So let me drop that in there because this is specifically for walking. Best shoes for walking. And then maybe this could be best shoes for work after knee replacement surgery 2021. And then maybe this could be best shoes to wear around the house after knee replacement surgery in 2021. All right, so you guys see where we're going with this? And truthfully, I mean, this is laying the guideline. This is building the skeleton for the article. The more subheadings I can come up with that's related to the keyword and the searcher's intent, I've got 2 things. The more headings I come up with, subheadings, the less actual content I have to put under each one. Now, we want full content. We want the best possible article. But if I have 10 subheadings with 250 words each, that's easy. Like you could do that in your sleep. That's 2,500 words of great content. If I have 5 subheadings, I'm going to need 500 words per heading. That starts to get a little bit harder. I can write 500 words, but it's a little more of a struggle, you know? So think about this. I'm going to record some video. I'm going to take some original photos. I've got some new shoes that I'm going to do a shoe review on that I'll incorporate into this. And so hopefully within the next 24 to 48 hours, depending on my patient care caseload, I should be able to get this article done. When I do, I'll come back to you guys, I'll post it, and we'll review it, and we'll see how quickly we can get this article ranking. Guys, thanks as always. I'll catch you on the next tutorial.